Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your Instagram error login iPhone 2021. So how you can fix it? So first way you can also try to close your app and open again and just also check username and password you just write as your Instagram account, and also you can check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, just go to the settings, just open Wi-Fi. You just try to turn it off and turn on again, and if you're using mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.